Hey guys, in this part 1 video, I will be pairing hot bright lights with the hydroponic system that I will be building in the video, and in the final review, I shall link a 20% coupon here plus a giveaway if it does work, so stay tuned. But in the meantime, let's go run some errands.
There's some stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the mud, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of you buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you. You grew old in suburbia, where pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millennia. But you're
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. On my channel, I am bringing you guys along with me as I try to create a garden from scratch, and I will be showing the mistakes that I will be making so that you guys don't make the same mistake. Now in today's video, we're going to be putting some stuff together, and before I do that, I have some errands to run. That's why I'm sitting here. I have to get some tires changed, pick up food. I also wanted to give a quick shout out to Jerry Odell. Jerry made a very nice video and it's so touching. I am going to link it down below. If you guys haven't seen his channel, please check him out. Jerry, I just want you to know that I am so touched by what you've done, and if you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, okay? But guys, there's so much snow. This time around I haven't been able to shovel it because I haven't been feeling well, but I'm gonna turn around and show you how much snow that I have. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. I've been so tired. I haven't been able to clean my driveway as I would love to do. So look at that, all that right here.
now we
guys, so I'm back home right now, so I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you the things that we're going to be putting together. This is just the system that I've been sent over along with the lights. I'm going to be using these lights sent over by what's it called? Let's see, a Hotspot. Okay, and a final review of the light will be in part 2. These are going to be used. Let me actually turn around and flip the camera, and you can see what I'm talking about. These hydroponic systems what we're going to put up today, and I'm going to get ready to bring the seeds out of dormancy and just start the process. So this is what I have right now. I'm taking these out of the boxes. It said that it should take about 5 minutes to put this together. I like putting things together, you know, because for me putting things together is like puzzles, and I love that. So I have more here, and I think there's about 108 plant sites on here, and then they have the cups, you know, the grow cups right here, and the foam for the seed. But I'm going to be doing the seeds differently. I'm going to when I start the process, I'm going to actually put the seeds in warm water overnight to bring them out of dormancy. I find that doing that actually helps my seeds flourish, unlike doing it the other way that is all over YouTube. So I like to soak my seeds overnight in warm water, and then that helps them bring them out of dormancy, and then I start the process. All of that is going to be filmed, so just wait for part 2. Yeah, so then I have the pump right here also, and then I have the connecting tube right here. So let me just set the whole thing up, and then hopefully I can put this quickly. It looks a bit tedious because of all the parts, and I hope it's not as difficult as it looks. So yeah, let's get started, okay?
But it's okay. I don't have the pieces of you buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you. You grew old in suburbia, where pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millennia. But you're okay. I don't have the pieces of you.
Hey guys, so look at the paper now. If this were to be finished, let's see, so this is how it's supposed to look like, right? Like this. It has all the connectors. On the side here, as you can see, all the connectors are done. I've installed this here, which you can see right here. And these little connectors, right? So I'm missing about 4 of these little connectors. I can sort of improvise by cutting this up and measuring, but that's going to be too much work, so I'm going to reach out and see if they can resend that. But right now everything has been put together. All the cups are in. These little cups have been put in, and I've connected everything right here. I just have to readjust this. I haven't hammered this in yet because I wanted to make sure that everything was all right before I put everything in. So let's refix this. This should be, let's see. Yeah, so this is how it's looking like right now. Yeah, so I'm missing these little connectors right here. I'm missing about 1, 2, 3, 4, and once that's all done, that should be all set. So this should be pretty easy, and then the pump and everything is right here for the water. I'm actually gonna start the seeds as I can actually just fix these ones here. I can just cut that up and make them fit in here. But I'm gonna see if I can just get 1, 2, 3, 4. But yeah, so this is it right here. Everything is looking great. I'm gonna move it to where it's supposed to be before I sort of use a mallet to make it a lot stronger. But yeah, so yeah, this is it right here. Hey guys, so this is it right here. This is where it's going to be, right by the window, because it does get a lot of sunlight. Like I said, I'm missing these parts right here, these connectors, right? You see these little connectors? These, I need about 4 of them. I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 4, and with that I should be all set. Also, the package came with like all these things, how to start seedlings and stuff, but I already know what to do, so I'm probably not gonna follow these instructions. But yeah, so I will give an update in part 2 as to how these have done. I'm going to be using the light from Hotspot, which I got for free, and I will be reviewing that, and I will also be doing a giveaway in the final review of how these did. All right, thank you guys so much for sticking around. I know it was a bit tedious putting that together and the thing looked a bit feeble, but we will work with that. All right, so I hope everybody has a good weekend, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.